Hey, I'm just in the middle of learning how to use Google Plus Hangout feature. Ran a couple of tests and was able to do a desktop share. So now I'm going to open up my tcms.com and show you how quick it is to set up some of the features. Bear with me as I try to figure this desktop feature broadcast. Oh, I lost a window there. Okay, ready for it now. Okay, so we're logged into mytcms.com's back office, and at the very top are a bunch of buttons. Okay, these can access your main menus. If you're not able to see the flash menus that drop down, just click on one of these big buttons at the top, and it'll take you into any part of the site that you want. Okay, so if I go to the home dashboard, if I click on that, you'll see some menus on the top, how to configure your back end, what keywords you're going to use for promoting your personal business, upload a photo of your business or your own personal picture, and add your social links. So if you're connected to any social links, make sure you add the links in here so they propagate on your page, because if you don't add the links for each social network that you're involved in, they will not appear on your web pages. And you can also write an introductory story, whether it's for your business or your personal story as to what you're doing online. To learn any part, if you go into configure, you'll see the menus on the left hand side here change, and there's a little video here. If you click on it, it'll tell you how to configure your back end, how to set up each little individual feature. So you'll see these menus here: getting started, basic site setup, which is this page here. Watch the video, it'll tell you exactly what to do. Now, once you've got your site configured, your back office configured, these first two buttons, go through these menus, make sure you're completely set up, and go into my site. All right, and you have do-it-yourself lead capture pages. Your story can be edited from here. You can also upload your photo and revisit your social links. Okay, so if you're part of any of these social networks, put your link in and those buttons will propagate on your web pages. So you can also visit your blog from here. And your blog itself, the link is reachable from the top. This is the live link. These are the edit links. Now, right beside these red X's, I know it's hard to see. We're going to try and get those icons changed, but there's an edit feature here. So if you've created a post, click on this little page icon with the pencil, which is hard to see, but it's there. If you click on that, you can edit the post. It'll appear at the bottom of this page here. Select your category, type in your title. Okay, and here I'll show you where to get these short codes. You'll have to create your own little short codes if you plan on using videos within your web page. Now you'll see a preview. If you're using a video shortcode, enter that shortcode in here and then put a check mark in here to publish or unpublish. Okay, so whatever you've posted, if you're not ready to go live, take check mark out of that box. If you want it to be publicly visible, publish it and then click this green save button. At this current time, this little save button that's in the what you see, what you get doesn't work, so use the green button at the bottom. Alright, now it'll disappear. See, now you can start a new post if you want, or you can go back in here, check your category to make sure things are entered in the right categories. Alright, now go visit and see if it's published. So if I go to my blog, alright, categories are listed on the right. See my social media buttons. So if somebody wanted to contact me directly or go and see some of the other connection pages that I've got going there, my picture is there, my name, my phone number, and everything is reachable on my website. Okay. My story. And of course the blog, which is right here. I go under weekly conference, lead development strategies. You'll notice that there is a video embedded in the post, and I didn't have to do any HTML to get this video to display in the right position or have the right size. Okay. There's a comment box below so people can comment or share. So if they click on the share button, it'll come up and log into your Facebook account, and you can share the link from there. Okay, now here I'm going to show you how to create those video shortcodes. Go into my site, my video pages. If you can't see the drop-down menu, just click on the big button and then click on the menu at the bottom that says my video pages. Okay, and there's a green button here that says create a new video link. So if you have a video to add and it's off of YouTube, which is primarily what it is, video links. So you just type in a name for your video link, and I've already created some, so here's where the short codes show up right here. So I can take any of these codes and post them anywhere, including if I want to send an email with a video picture, I just copy the short code and create an email broadcast and insert the short code, and it'll take the picture, a screenshot of the YouTube video that you're sharing, and stick it in the email without you having to do any fancy copy, paste, attach images. This makes a friendly link to your video. So when they click on it in the email, they'll go straight to your video. So I've created some video links already, and I've given them different names. So I can take one of these, copy it. Okay, now what if I want to make a new splash page? Go my site, do-it-yourself lead pages, or not a splash page, but a lead page. Splash page is completely different. Okay, so I just build a page, tell it what I want. If I want to collect an address, a city, state, zip code, I don't have to collect all that information. Some of the stuff that I've asked for here, there's a little thing for creating kind of like a poll question there underneath your form. Okay. Now I can go, let's just get rid of this. All right, and I'll just put the video in there. Now Control V works quicker, but if I right click and try to paste something in this little box down here, it pops up this dialog box, and I can still right click and paste. Okay. Other quickest way is to use Control V once you've clicked on this little edit window. All right, save. Okay, here's a preview of the form that's going to show on the page. Now if I go to this page, here's the link at the top. If I click on that, now I can see what I've created. Alright, there's a video that no longer exists, but that's okay. You get the general idea. It tried to pull it from YouTube. It placed it on the page, and there's a form. It asks for the address, email, name, and city and state. Now you do that with any of the do-it-yourself lead capture pages. So if I want to try and create multiple campaigns, I can do so. Plenty of form pages to choose from. Now some of these I've been just testing and messing around to see if what I can do with them. You can upload header images. So if you want it to have a own custom header, you can just browse, take a picture. Let me see here. See if that'll be big enough. Open. Save. Might take a minute or so for it to upload the image. Come on. All right, must be done. So now I'll go to the page. There we go. That pretty much covers the splash page creation or leads page creation. Mike, are you able to hear all this? There should be a chat window available for you to type into. Just do me a favor and type whether you're able to see anything or not. Okay, let's see if you're here or not. I guess I'm the only member here. Okay, well, I'm going to stop this broadcast and see how it turned out.